beauties, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Riri, and I love my beautiful niece. Introduce yourself, darling.
Hi, I'm Zanasia.
She's a little shy. She's a little shy. She does not get that from me. We all know this very much. The shyness doesn't come from her aunt. Anyways, we are here to do a couple of unboxings while she's staying with me, and we're going to be doing the July Ipsy bag and the July Allure beauty box. If you're unfamiliar with the Ipsy bag, this is a $10 a month subscription for makeup, hair, beauty type items, and you get a little bag and then 5 typically travel size items. They do surprise us every once in a while. We get a full size little goodie in here. And then I did add a couple add-ins, which I don't remember what I added in. But we all know that I don't ever remember anything. Okay. I am going to grab my add-ins because they're probably on top. And I'm not even going to look at the bag because we're going to let Zanasia pull the bag out in a second. So I love hems. There's a bag inside the bag. So I love Hemp's. Their body wash and stuff like that. I didn't really care for the shampoo and conditioner too much, but their body washes and their lip scrub and lip treatment. So I wanted to try this. It is the Hemp's Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon Body Moisturizer. So I'm actually going to go ahead. Oh, it wasn't sealed. Can y'all tell me if this is supposed to be sealed? Because I'm a little nervous now. We're going to try this on our hands since it wasn't sealed. And we're going to see how it feels. Ooh, God. That smells amazing. That smells amazing. It's really, really thick. Oh my God. That smells good. What do you think about the smell?
It smells like, kind of like, I forgot what type of melon it was, but it smells kind of like a melon, but...
Kind of honeydew-ish,
yeah.
Maybe a little bit?
I'm about to say that.
Okay, it feels nice. I feel like it went into the skin pretty quickly. What do you feel like?
It's sticking...
A little thick for you?
It's sticking, like, in between the...
Okay, so she doesn't really care for it too much, apparently. It feels a little thick. It is a little thick, but I feel like it dried quickly.
But it does smell good.
And it smells amazing. Yeah, okay, so it smells amazing. And then next up, y'all, I've wanted to try this so long. I have like the regular Milky Mist for Pixie and then like the Rose Toner. But I wanted to try the Glow Mist with Propolis and Argan Oil. So that is what that looks like. I want to open it now because y'all know I have a million sprays open. But those are my add-ins. And Nasia is going to get the honors of pulling the bag out. As y'all know, I get no spoilers. I don't watch anybody else. I don't know what I'm getting every single month. And I always wait until I've done my videos to watch your unboxings, beauties. So if you do unboxings, please know that I will watch whenever mine is done and filmed. Ugh. The bag is hideous. Yeah. We're going to let Nasia pull out the first item. I'm excited. Ooh, what is that?
It's a Roller Lash Super Curling and Lifting Mascara.
Cool. A Benefit Roller Lash. I don't think I've ever tried... I've never tried a Benefit Roller Lash, so I'm really excited to try that.
It's a black mascara.
I know lots of my beauties that love this and swear by it, but I have so many open right now, I will not try it yet. But when I do a full face, I will try a new mascara out. I literally have 10 mascaras over here, y'all. It's bad.
Do you want to take out the next item?
Oh, gosh. This is called 12 Benefits Instant Healthy Hair Treatment. Ooh, you guys know that I love, love, love hair treatments like the ones from Way and stuff like that. Let's spray it and smell it maybe and see how she smells. Oh, and it also says it seals your color, smooths, repairs, prevents split ends, strengthens, protects against chlorine, wind, and sun.
So basically it's pool-proof.
So pretty much just a miracle in a bottle is what they're trying to tell us. I like the mist. I don't really smell anything. Ooh. It smells really soft and really fresh. It doesn't, it's not like strong at all.
You know, like
it smells like fabric softener.
Yeah, it smells like
fabric softener.
Yeah, it smells like fabric softener.
I don't know if I see shine. Oh, I do see ooh! Okay. Well, we can say that it smells good, and it did make my hair very, very shiny. That smells really nice. Okay, you're next. I will update y'all on that because y'all know I love products like this. Ooh, what is that?
And it's it is an environmental shield, an essential sea cleanser, and words I don't know how to say.
It's by Murad. I probably will not keep this. I'm very sensitive to vitamin C. As you know, vitamin C is good for kind of like really clearing the skin, brightening the skin and stuff like that. So I probably won't use this because every time I've ever tried like really strong vitamin C, it has broken my skin out or making my skin really red, and I don't like it. Go ahead. So far, good bag though. I'm pleasantly surprised thus far. Was it open already?
Yeah.
Poop. Okay, well, it's some kind of something.
It's a Glow 2 highlighter. It's a powder.
Okay, so it's a Ciate highlighter, which I think, well, I've gotten one of these before. Let's see what shade it is. It was open, so hopefully it's not broken. Or if it's the same shade out. That is pretty. It's the shade... I don't know. Oh, Moon Dust. We knew that. We're dumb. Oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. That is beautiful. It's like a really pretty champagne-y color. I think it could work for several different skin tones. And if you get highlighters, beauties, and you feel like, bitch, this is too light or too dark for me, use it as an inner corner highlight. Use it on your eyelids. It doesn't always have to be a highlighter. So I'm excited about this. I have a million, so if my niece wants this, she can have this one. But I'm excited about it. I loved the other one that we got. Oh, don't look at that yet, because it tells what products we have.
There's only one thing left in it.
Go ahead. It's a Luxie, it looks almost like a powder blush. We all know I cannot speak English, and today is no different, guys. Yeah, oh, it's a small contour brush. That is actually really pretty. I don't really like brushes like this particular shape, but I'm going to show you guys because it looks really cool. But it's kind of like the really pretty, like, soft, like, velvet matte, and it has, like, the little concaved edge here for, like, your fingers. I would never use this to contour with, so... It's cute, though. It's really pretty. I love Luxie brushes. I think they're a phenomenal brand. I love the shape of the handle. I think the length and stuff is good. What do you think, man?
I think that even though you wouldn't use the brush...
Do you want to try it with your contour kit? You have your contour kit right now.
Which one's contour?
Let's try it, guys. Let's try it. Okay. This bag, y'all, that is hideous. Who the hell thought that this was cute? The color Story together, the peach and teal, is really pretty, but that's... Y'all. Ipsy. Come on now, honey. That is not cute, Ipsy. Alright, we gonna contour, honey. She likes to use like a thinner, kind of more firm brush for her contours and stuff, so I think that she could get some use of this product. Oh yeah. Okay. You can have it.
Thank you.
So what do you think on a scale of 1 to 10? Like 10 being great.
Just out of all of this, or
just like overall as a bag, like the total, what you feel.
7.
I'm gonna say 6.
It's because the bag is ugly.
Yeah, that bag is hideous, dude. But I mean, I do like I love stuff like this for sure. And like Murad's a really good brand. I just don't do vitamin C type stuff. The highlight is gorgeous. I just have too many. Yeah. You want to try the highlight? Where's your highlight brush? Did you lose it? Did you lose it here? Hold on, I got a clean brush right here, darling. We got a clean brush.
Right brush.
I know, I love it so much. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. If you're wondering why we look crazy and why we have 1,000,000 pounds of highlight, look at the previous video we did. Yeah, I'd say a 6. I mean, I think it's cute. The bag's hideous. I like everything overall-ish. So, moving along. And sorry if y'all can hear us tapping the microphone. My bad on that. Now we're going to open up the Allure Beauty Box. This is a $15 a month subscription where, again, you get like 5 to 6 travel try-me size items. I love Allure Beauty Box because I feel like they're pretty heavy on skincare, which y'all know Mama's obsessed with, okay? So we're going to jump in. Oh my god, I already see a full-size product! And two. Oh, this is exciting. So here's the bag, and already I see some Huda stuff. Okay, you dig in. I'm already so excited, you guys. This looks like it's gonna be a bomb-ass bag.
It's Korean. It's in Korean. It's the Intense Care Gold 24 Karat Snail Hydrogel Mask. And it has Korean on it.
That is cool.
So,
and we know K-Beauty is where's that? So that is what it looks like by Tony Moly. Maybe we can try this together, like as far as like the serum part. We can't both put the mask on, but we shall see. I've actually heard that snail is like amazing for the skin. Very, very hydrating and nourishing. So we'll see. I'm excited about it though. Okay, go ahead. You guys, this is a really good bag thus far.
And there is a... Okay, yeah, I thought it was a perfume. There's a Ali Vanilla 28 perfume.
And I don't do vanilla, so she can have that. But, of course, you know, perfume samples are really nice. I just don't like vanilla scents very much. Okay. I'm going to reach in. Oh, those are humongous. There's some Huda Beauty lashes in the style Samantha number 7.
I thought that was Heinz ketchup.
I won't use these, although I'm really excited to have them, and I've heard that Huda lashes are stunning. But I have 2 weddings coming up that I'm doing the makeup for, so we'll see which one of them is daring enough to go this bold, because that's a really big lash. But I'm really excited about it. Okay.
I thought this was Heinz ketchup.
Heinz ketchup. Are you hungry?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so this is Replenishing Face Primer. It's Too Faced brand, and it's...
So it's Too Faced Hangover Primer. I have tried this before. Y'all know I have a gazillion primers right now, but I do love this a whole lot. So again, if my niece wants it, she can just have that. And she'll love it, I'm sure. And then I don't ever scratch these off, you guys. It kind of gives you a clue as to what's coming next month. And y'all know I don't like spoilers at all. This is, I love Way. They're one of my favorite hair care products and brands ever. It is the Way Hair Care Texturizing Hairspray. I won't keep this. I may keep it to use, again, for my brides that I have coming up. But my hair is thick enough and textured enough, as is hers. So we're going to pass this beautiful little thing along just because we know we won't use it. And then she's going to tell us about the last product in the bag.
I totally knew how that worked. Okay, so it's a liquid matte, and it...
Y'all, if you hear somebody snoring, it's the dog. Very loudly, like a grown man.
And as I would... Okay.
Oh my God.
And as I was saying, and it is a bright red-ish color.
Oh, is that the actual shade Alluring? Oh, that's neat. Okay, so it's by Huda Beauty. It's a liquid matte in the shade Alluring. And it's like a deep red, but it has a lot of like an orange undertone to it. I may actually try this. I love oranges and I love like deeper reds. I just don't do pink, as y'all know. So I think it's really pretty. You want to swatch it? Should we swatch it on our hand? And I'm excited. I don't think I've ever tried a Huda Beauty lippy. I tried their gloss and they're okay. They're not like the best in the whole wide world. Oh yeah, that's very much orangey red. Actually, that's very bright. But that we can get an idea as well on how it's going to look on different skin tones. I do want to smell it too. Ooh. Mmm.
It smells like food.
Yeah, it does. Smells like icing or something. Mm. Okay, so we'll show our swatches. So you can definitely see it pulls way more orange than it does red. That is stunning. I think it would be obviously a beautiful color on any skin tone, and it's going to make your teeth look very, very white. Beauty is okay. So what do we think of this box overall?
I'd say it's a 9 out of 10.
I think so too. I agree. I definitely love the Too Faced Hangover. This lip shade is gorgeous, and it smells delicious. This is an amazing product. I love Way. It's just not a product I would particularly use. The lashes are bomb. I just don't do lashes. Y'all know I'm blind and I don't do lashes. And the mask sounds pretty damn amazing. So, cool boxes overall. Let us know what you beauties think. And final thoughts? Favorite product, least favorite product?
I'd say my least favorite product would be the lashes.
Yes. Probably same out of both. Either the lashes or the Murad stuff. Even though the lashes, like I said, are stunning, and we just don't do lashes. What's your favorite?
I'd have to say it would be the mask.
I think mine's the Huda. Or the highlight. The highlight is pretty bomb. But this Huda is really nice, and the packaging feels really, really amazing. It's like it's frosted and like the kind of soft matte touch to it.
I like how nobody probably heard us because this was on top of the mic.
Oh, God. Can you hear me now? Note to self. Clip the damn mic on your tank top instead of laying it down where products get thrown on top of it. So this part of the video is really loud. But we love you. Should we do some ASMR? Yes, we should. Okay, beauties. We love you very much. Yay! Anyways. Okay, we'll stop driving y'all crazy now. We love y'all. Thank y'all so much for the love and support. I'm so happy to be back. I know I took my little break, so I'm happy to have my niece here and kind of get me back on the roll with stuff and peep our tank tops and just saying. And we're both wearing our glasses. We're twinning, you know. But if you like this video at all, then please give us a thumbs up and subscribe down below. If you tap the notification bell, I'd be even more grateful and thankful. And please always remember to be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties!